Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to find your Google account devices login history. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. I'm going to click on here, open my phone setting. Then next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and look for Google right here. And the next thing you need to do is to select on your Google account name. Then proceed to your Google account. Just like so, you take your right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and go to search Google account. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and go to devices. So you take your right here. All the devices that is having access to your login history on Google account, on your Google account is going to display right here. You can scroll down and review any of the activities right here. If you take note of a strange activity, what you need to do is to simply select on the activity that you don't really recognize. And once you select on it, for instance, I click on this one. Once you select on it, next thing you can do is to simply sign out, and automatically Google is going to log out your login detail from that device. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.